Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to import NFTs using the MetaMask app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the MetaMask app, then go to the wallet, which you can do by tapping on the menu. And in the menu, the second option below the browse is the wallet. And when you are at the wallet section, you have two different menus here, the tokens. As you can see here, you can see all your cryptocurrencies. And the second one is NFTs. As you can see, I have no NFTs in this account because it's not my main account, because I don't want to show you my personal informations. But yeah, here you would see your NFTs. And if you don't see your NFTs, you can import them. So just tap on import NFT. And here by adding the address of the NFT or the collectible ID, you can import it to your MetaMask wallet. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.